Today we're making tsoureki. 150 grams flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 14 grams yeast, and 250 ml warm water. Now mix them up and leave the yeast to working. Put the flour, 300 grams Greek sugar, 4 grams ground mastica, 3 teaspoons mahlepi, 1 teaspoon cardamom, 1 teaspoon salt, and the zest from 2 Greek oranges. Mix him, juice them. It's not for the tsoureki, it's for me. 400 ml milk, 250 grams melted butter, 2 teaspoons vanilla, whisk him up 4 eggs. Now put them inside. Now the yeast is ready. Put him in the bowl. Now mix him up, lick him the bench, and knead him for 10 minutes. Soft and sticky, but not stick your hands. Put some Greek olive oil, put him in the bowl. Now leave him sleeping till he double the size. He's ready. Put him on the table, give him a little massage. Now make 18 balls, roughly 170 grams each. Cover them and leave them relax a little bit. Now take 3 balls and we're gonna roll them 40 centimeters. Now we're gonna twist them. Go left, after right, again we go left, right, a little bit more, and tuck him in. Other side, yeah, we go straight, a little bit more straight, again straight, and I don't want to lie, those are not my hands. Put one dish, put some paper in the middle, quick siesta, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon milk, and whisk him up. Hair all the arms, get a beautiful color. I put some sliced almonds, the top this one, and this one we put the sesame. Now we do our cross, put the oven 170 degrees Celsius. Put the rack to cool down. How soft she is. It's bloody beautiful, man.